coming in with everything dangling down, the Dunlops, the whole 9 yards. There is the landing configuration, ladies and gentlemen, just as it would have been all those years ago, coming back to the bases all around England. And if you look, the Spitfire behind the Hurricane coming in to rejoin in formation for that final finale pass.